With the steering column mounted, we can now start to work on our pedal placement. Now, obviously, there's only two pedals in this truck. There's a brake pedal and a throttle pedal, but because our engine is a takeout and we're using a factory computer, I'm gonna just be installing a factory throttle pedal. Now, this is a pedal out of a 2010 Chevy Camaro. That's what works with our computer. But because we're using this modern drive-by-wire pedal, we can take advantage of some aftermarket support for that makes the vehicle better to drive. This is a pedal commander, basically throttle intercept module. So what it does is it takes the information that comes out of this throttle pedal and then adjusts it before that data gets delivered to the ECU. That means you can do things like remove the throttle lag on the pedal that's normally found in modern vehicles. You can set the vehicle up for eco mode if you're trying to save a little bit of fuel or more power. You can adjust how the throttle reacts when we're off-road, so it'll make the vehicle easier to handle in the rocks. But the neatest thing about the pedal commander is something new. It now has theft deterrent built right into the actual unit, which is nice because most off-road rigs like this, they don't have keys. You just basically leaving them on the trailer or you're leaving at the trailhead when you're out wheeling, and they are very susceptible to being stolen. Pedal Commander can essentially make the throttle pedal completely dead at the flip of a switch inside the app, ensuring that nobody can drive this vehicle if you don't want them to. Brum, brum.